What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff, and yesterday at close, Tilray reported earnings. So what I want to do in this video, guys, is kind of go through their earnings report. I want to point out a few things to you about Tilray, and then I'm going to talk at the end of the video if this company is a buy here at these levels. And I also want to compare Tilray to some of the other companies in the marijuana industry and just kind of track their performance a little bit. So Tilray did beat on revenue. Tilray had $15.53 million of revenue, and that beat by 1.57 million. That shows a 203% year-over-year increase, and immediately the shares jumped up about 2%. So Tilray is showing a net loss of $31 million, and a loss per share is about 33 cents. So to be consistent with all the other marijuana companies, Tilray is still taking big losses, and none of these companies are profitable. So this really comes as no surprise. I don't think you trade Tilray, based off their loss. I don't think you're going to trade any marijuana stock based off their loss at this stage in the game. So the average net selling price per gram was $7.52. That was actually up 5%. Seems kind of high for the industry. And the total kilogram equivalent sold was 2,053. That was also up about 200% year over year. Now, Tilray is one of these companies, guys, that's seen a lot of investors flooding in as soon as they hit the market. Back here in July of 2018, they hit the market around $25 a share. And I think most everybody in the marijuana industry remembers their epic run up to $300 a share right here in September. And it was very short-lived, guys. Tilray had valuation that would just blow your mind, and there was no way that this company would be able to justify those kind of gains on earnings. Even though Tilray beat on revenue by $1.5 million, the stock still feels very overvalued to me at these levels. I've got the one-day chart pulled up on Tilray, guys. As you can see, it is pretty much sold off all day long. And really, guys, that is not at all the kind of activity you want to see after a company beats on earnings like that. So maybe if Tilray came to the table with a $30 million beat, with $30 million, and they beat expectations by $15 million, that would be beating expectations by over 100%. I think you could have seen the stock jump pretty good today. In my opinion, the earnings were just very lackluster, and I still think Tilray trades down even lower. I have all the big marijuana companies pulled up right here and ranked by market cap, okay? So, of course, Canopy Growth has about a $15 billion market cap, and Aurora Cannabis currently has around 10. And now it's interesting that Tilray is third. It's actually above GW Pharmaceuticals and Cron at about a $6.6 billion market cap. Now, to me, a company that pushes out $15 million of revenue is just not a $6.6 billion company. And unfortunately, I think Tilray continues to sell off more. Like I said, on a positive earnings report today, guys, now it is down under $70 a share and has lost 3.39% in one day. So from a stock reaction point of view, this earnings report is actually a huge disappointment. And I think institutional investors are figuring out that Tilray is still very, very inflated. So what price does Tilray become a buy? Let's go talk about that now. I have the shares outstanding on Tilray, and that's 79.17 million. Now, where I start thinking Tilray could possibly become a buy is when it has around a $4 to $5 billion market cap, and I think it has that much room to continue selling off. Like I said, when you compare their earnings to Canopy Growth, Aurora, GW Pharmaceuticals, and Cron, it does appear that the market cap has to drop a little bit more before this is a buy. I want to see it around $55 a share. That makes Tilray about a $4.3 billion company, and I would feel safe making an investment in them because the CEO did come out and try to keep investors motivated today. CEO Brandon Kennedy did mention in the report yesterday that the company now has 7 cannabis production facilities online, and despite the 204% jump in Q4 sales, each new site will take about 6 months to ramp up. And basically, guys, what he's trying to say is that you're not going to see a big boost in revenue numbers up for about 6 months and possibly longer than that, okay? However, a long-term investor can think that this is actually really good news because Tilray is trying to expand and grow bigger. Then of course, you know, Tilray owning Manitoba Harvest, that is a major component of its US retail strategy, mentioning Costco and Amazon's Whole Foods and Albertsons as specific retailers aiming to add CBD products to their offerings. So Tilray definitely has a strategy to become a lot more profitable, but like I said, guys, at $70, I do not think Tilray is quite yet a buy. I think be patient. You might even want to think about buying some put options on Tilray, or perhaps you want to short. I have shorted Tilray so many times, I've actually just lost count of that. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for the video. Drop a comment, tell me what your opinion is on this subject. I would really like to hear it. Thanks as always for watching the video, and have a great day.